Hello guys, this is Satyam Sinha, and in this video we are about to start our Python series where we will discuss a lot more about Python. There's a lot of content out there. So in this video I'm going to discuss that how we can set up environment for writing our Python codes. Like every other language, Python also requires some kind of setup in your PC so that you can write your code. Okay, so open your favorite browser, maybe Google Chrome or something like that. Then type here python.org. You can hit you can just write Python and hit enter. Okay, and on the first link you can see here it's welcome to python.org. Just click there. In the download section, just click on this link and it will download Python for you. Okay, the date on which I am recording this video, its version is about 3.8.2. Maybe it can update whenever you download it. It is quite much dependent upon your date, because Python is quite uh, updates frequently. Okay, so this is what, after you have completed your downloading Python, then check that whether it has been downloaded or not correctly. Just open your command prompt and write here Python and hit enter. If you are able to see the screen means without any error, then Python is successfully installed in your computer. Okay, so far so good. Next, to write our Python code, though we can also write our Python code in Notepad also, but in a professional environment or for the development purposes, or we use some kind of IDE. Okay, and in case of Python there is one popular one IDE called PyCharm. Okay, so you should consider that. By IntelliJ, there are a couple more also. You can also use Visual Studio Code. I love that also. But for Python, PyCharm is my favorite. Okay, so just click here PyCharm download, and just click here, and on the first link you can see it is by jetprince.com, and just click here. You can see here there are two links, one for free trial professional edition and another one is for community edition. Okay, so currently we are going for community edition, but if you want to develop it professionally you should consider downloading this one. Okay, community. Now PyCharm is available for both Mac, Linux and Windows. Okay, though I am a Mac Windows guy, so I have downloaded this one, community one. So you should consider also downloading this one if you are Windows, or maybe Mac or Linux respectively. Okay, you got me. Next, after you have completed downloading PyCharm, you are good to go. Hmm, good to go to start our Python series. Okay, uh, next so the next video we are going to start setting up our what to say uh, PyCharm environment, and from the next video we are going to start writing Python code. Okay, so see you till then. If you like this video, do it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In case if you are new, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update uh, from our channel. Okay, because we keep on producing such content. Okay, thank you.